morning, students. Today we will discuss isomerism in coordination chemistry. Before it, we will discuss what are ligands, what are coordination compound, coordination number, all that. Then how will you name the given coordination compound? If name is given, then how will you write the formula? Today our next topic is isomerism. You all are familiar with isomerism. Iso means same, merism means molecule. That means two or more compounds have same molecular formula, but their physical and chemical properties are different. Two or more compounds having same molecular formula, but their physical and chemical properties are different. It means composition same, but arrangement of the elements in the composition is different. As a result, if arrangement is different, their physical and chemical properties will change. In case of coordination chemistry, we have two types of isomerism. Structural isomerism structural isomerism or stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism means two or more compounds having same molecular formula, same composition, but their structures are different. If their structures are different, their physical and chemical properties will change. Stereoisomerism means two or more compound having same molecular formula. Due to isomerism, this line is PET line for isomerism, two or more compounds having same molecular formula. But arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom is different in three-dimensional space. That is the spatial arrangement. That is the spatial arrangement of ligands around central metal atom will be different. On the basis of spatial arrangement, stereoisomerism again divided into two categories: geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. In case of geometrical isomerism, we have only two isomers, cis isomer and trans isomer. If similar ligands present on same side, they are cis isomers. Similar ligand present on opposite side, that is the trans isomers. And if these stereoisomers give opposite mirror image in the mirror, that is known as optically active. If mirror contains same image, optically inactive. For example, this letter A, suppose it is stereoisomer. Inside, when we see in mirror, its image is similar. That means optically inactive. It is optically inactive. But against it, B, when we see the B in mirror, image, opposite image is formed. It is known as optically active. These are stereoisomers. Cis and transform in geometrical isomers are included in the branch stereoisomers. Now today we will discuss about the structural isomerism. Structural isomerism is the isomerism. It is the phenomena in which two or more compounds having same composition, same molecular formula, but their structures are different. Better you see, also study structural isomerism, geometrical isomerism, or stereoisomerism in organic chemistry in class 11th. But in 11th, in organic chemistry, structural isomerism are of 6 types. These are chain isomerism, position isomerism, metamerism, functional group isomerism, tautomerism and ring chain isomerism. But here, in coordination compounds, structural isomerisms are of 4 types. These 4 types are totally different from organic chemistry. Beta, coordination chemistry is the branch of inorganic chemistry. Organic chemistry is related to carbon compounds only, hydrocarbons only. In case of coordination chemistry, structural isomerism are of 4 types. First one, ionization isomerism. Ionization isomerism. In this case, in case of ionization isomerism, 2 or more compounds having same molecular formula, same composition, but when they dissolve in water, they produce different kind of ions. Ionization isomerism, again, 2 or more compounds having same molecular formula, same composition, but they produce different ions when dissolved in water. When dissolved in water, beta coordination complex or coordinated ion that is not decomposed in water, but counter ion will be separated out. Counter ion will be separated out. For example, beta platinum, it is the centimetal atom, hydroxide ligand and chloride ligand. Sulfate. This is the coordination complex and this is the counter ion. Another, like this. Both have same composition, one platinum, 4 oxidation state, 4 oxidation state. 4 OHI, 1 sulfate, 2 chlorine. Composition remains same. Molecular formula remain same. But when dissolved in water, they produce different type of ions. Coordination complex is not dissociate inside the water. So, it produces sulfate ion because sulfate is the counter ion. Here, sulfate is the ligand. Two chloride ion, because these 2 chloride ion are present as counter ion. Our definition follow this example. 2 or more compound having same composition, but they produce different ions when dissolved in water. They produce different ions when dissolved in water. This is the answer. Second one, beta, second one is known as hydrate isomerism. Hydrate isomerism, or we can say solvate isomerism. Same thing. Beta, hydrate means water, solvate means solvent. 2 or more compound having same composition, same molecular formula, but number of water molecule as ligand will be different. Number of water molecule as ligands will be different. Clear? Example, we have this compound. we have this compound. In this 6 water molecule present as ligands. All the 6 water molecule present as ligand because they are enclosed in square bracket. This may be written like this. Now one water molecule exists as water of crystallization, that is hydrated salt. This is known as anhydrous salt. But it is hydrated salt because it consists of one water molecule as crystallization. Further, dihydrates. But number of water molecule as ligand will be different. Here 6, 5, 4 and now 3. Counter and chlorine move inside and water move outside. Number of water molecule as ligands will be different. 6, 5, 4, 3. But composition remain same. Whole composition of all the molecules remain same. This is known as solvate isomerism. This is known as solvate isomerism. Now our next, that is third isomerism, linkage isomerism. In case of linkage isomerism, one ambident ligand must be present. More than one maybe, but at least one ambident ligand must be present in case of linkage isomerism. In case of linkage isomerism, two or more compound having same molecular formula, but two or more compound having same molecular formula, but it contain ambident ligand, and linkage of ambident ligand will be different. Ambident ligands are those ligands which have two donor sites but behave as monodentate. They have two donor sites but behave as monodentate. In this case, suppose this one, we have ammonia, amine as ligands, AMMINE. But here is one ambident ligand. Here one ambident ligand, that is cyanide. If carbon combine to the central metal atom, it is known as cyanido, or you can say cyano. Both are same thing, that is okay. But in another case, linkage of ambident ligand is different. Here carbon will combine, in another case nitrogen will combine. Chromium, 5 or ammonia, it is okay. It is okay, but third one is the ambident ligand. Now nitrogen is combined, then it is known as isocyano or isocyanido. In case of linkage isomerism, two or more compound having same molecular formula, but the linkage of ambident ligand must be different. Now last one, that is the coordination isomerism. That is coordination isomerism. Beta, in case of coordination isomerism, both counteryl and complex, both are complex. Both are in complex nature. Both counteryl and complex, both are in coordination sphere. And nature of ligands around the central metal atom will be different. In this case, beta, suppose this is counteryl, This is counter ion, this is the complex. It is only one compound, not different compound. It is only one compound. In this case, counter ion is also act as complex. Counter ion also act as complex. Two or more compound having same molecular formula, same composition, but nature of ligand around central atom will be different. Now, it is second of the same. That is, nature of ligand around central atom will be different. First compound, water is surrounding the chromium. In second case, water is surrounding the cobalt. Opposite nature. So we can say, in case of coordination compound, two or more compound having same molecular formula, same composition, but nature of ligand around the central atom will be different because both are act as coordination compound. Counter ion also act as coordination compound and complex also a coordination compound. This is the complex coordination compound. This is the counter ion coordination compound. You may say the opposite also. Thanks, beta.